Welcome back to our SketchUp for Schools tutorial series. In this episode, we're going to finish up the right side of our cabinets and then go and start working on the left side. So here for the base cabinets, we have this one spot left. So we already have it spaced out. So this is going to be a 24-inch 3-drawer cabinet. So take our rectangle tool, draw in our rectangle, use a push-pull tool, and we're going to pull this up to 34.5 inches. At the very bottom, take our tape measure, so click on the T icon or T key on your keyboard, type in 4 inches, hit the L key for the line tool, and we're going to draw a line across. Use the push-pull tool, and we're going to pull this back 2 inches. Click on the offset tool, do an offset of 1/2 inch. For this one, we need to, like we have previously, we're going to draw in these 2 lines and erase this bottom line. For this one, it's going to be a 3-drawer cabinet. So top, we're going to go down 5 inches. .5. The next one is going to be 9.5, 0.5 again, and then we have the rest of the cabinet. From here, we're going to draw in our rectangles. Push-pull tool, pull these out 1/2 inch. Take your eraser tool, and we're going to clean up our guides and extra lines. Underneath, we're going to again draw our line like we did previously, going across. Use your tape measure, go backwards 0.75, or actually go back 1/2 inch. Take our line tool and draw in our line going across. Push-pull tool, and we're going to come over here and pull this down to line up with our others. Go ahead and erase our lines that we don't need. Okay, there we go. On this other side, I want to take my rectangle tool. Actually, we'll just take our line tool, draw in a line from the very bottom going across. You can use your arrow keys in order to make sure that you align them to the red, blue, and green axis. This one is going to go straight up. Hit the up arrow key, move over to the top of the cabinet in order to constrain it to that point. Go ahead and click there, and then draw in our line in order to close in our rectangle. Take your push-pull tool, and we're simply just going to pull this back 0.75. Triple click on that cabinet, right click, and we're going to make that a group. Next, we have our upper cabinets. So first off, let's go ahead and draw in our countertop. Again, this is going to be one big square. Take your push-pull tool, pull this up 1.5 inches, and then pull it out 1 inch. Take your selection tool, triple click on it, right click, and we'll make that a group. The upper cabinets are 18 inches above the countertop, and they are 30 inches. Then we're going to have 4 of them, and we'll have 1 gap over here on the right. So take our rectangle tool, draw in our rectangle. Push-pull tool is going to be 12 inches. Click on your offset tool, offset tool of 0.5. Take your tape measure, and we're going to half, find the midpoint, and we'll draw in our rectangles. Let's pull these doors out 0.5, and we can pull that one out 0.5 as well. Triple click on the doors, right click, make this component. Name it upper cabinet because there's only going to be one. Take our move tool, move it from this corner, hit Control, copy that one over, do the same thing with this one, and do the same thing for that. We do have this space over here, so we're just going to, same thing we did with there before, take our line tool, go from there, go there, connect the dots or connect the line. We need to draw in a line going down, and that will close in our rectangle. Go to the back, push-pull tool, and go 0.75. Triple click on it, right click, and we'll make that a group. So we turn that into a group. We'll do one more thing on this right side. We're going to draw in our measurements. So our base cabinets are 34.5 inches. We have 1.5 as your countertop. We have a gap of 18 inches. And then this is where our countertop or upper cabinet is going to be. So with the selection tool, hit the spacebar, click on one of them, it doesn't matter which. Take your move tool, go ahead and hit Control, drag them over. If with the move tool, if you hover over the red X, you'll get a protractor, rotate it around. Move it against the wall. Go down here to the very bottom, and we're going to move this corner to this corner. We open up our tags. One thing, I want to relabel the kitchen tag. So click on Edit tab. This is going to be cabinets. If you wanted to change the color, so we can change our color to maybe a turquoise, click OK. We can also come in here to assign tags. Click on our NT info. With our NT info up, click on each one of these, and we just want to quickly list all of these as the cabinets. Remember, you only want to make sure you only want to put anything that is a group or a component as a tag. Everything else should be as listed as untagged. So now we have all of that. We can close that out. We can hide the cabinets. Everything else should hide. We can turn that into our cabinets as well. And that's where we'll stop here. We do need to finish up the base cabinets over here on the right. We're also going to use the Follow Me tool in order to create our window and our two doors. We'll bring in some things from a 3D warehouse, such as light switches, power outlets, and door handles and stuff like that. And then we'll go ahead and put some materials and everything and finish everything up. Thank you for watching this episode. Stay tuned for more episodes in this playlist and on my channel.